Welcome to the SEO course. Let's start with the basic. What is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's all about making your website more visible on search engine like Google when people search for things related to your business. Now imagine you are an interior designer in Bangalore. Now these days when people need anything, a restaurant, a plumber or any interior designer, they don't ask around like they used to do. They go straight to Google. In fact, over 90% of online experience begin with a search engine and Google hold over 85% of market share. Now, let's say the total monthly searches for interior design related keywords in Bangalore would look like this. Interior designers in Bangalore, 10,000 searches per month. Best interior designers in Bangalore, 8,000 searches per month. Home interior designer Bangalore, 6,500 searches per month. Affordable interior designer Bangalore, 3,000 searches per month. Luxury interior designer Bangalore, 2,500 searches per month. So we have taken only 5 keywords. And the total estimate searches for these 5 keywords are 30,000 per month. So, what do you think? The web pages which are ranking number one on Google, how many clicks they would get? Study shows that like first position on Google gets approximately 30 to 35% of all the clicks. So if we take a ratio and if we take a 30% of click-through rate from this 30,000 searches, so the click to the website would be 30,000 into 30%, that is 9,000 clicks per month. Now, not everyone who visits the website will become a lead, but let's assume 5 out an inquiry form or they give a call. Only 5%. So how many leads they will be able to generate? Lead per month would be 9,000 into 5%. That will be 450 leads per month. Now let's say the interior designer closes 10% of those leads into actual projects. So how many projects they will get? So the new clients per month is like 450 into 10%, that is 45 clients per month. So talking about the revenue, how much revenue they can generate. Let's assume the average ticket size for an interior designing would be 5 lakh. Okay, so the monthly revenue from SEO would be 45 clients into 5 lakh. That is 2.25 crore per month. Even if the ticket size is lower, let's say only 2 lakhs per project, they would still generate 90 lakhs per month just from the SEO driven active clients. Even if a ticket size is of 1 lakh, that still generates 45 lakhs per month just from the SEO driven clients. So what is SEO? SEO is like moving your showroom to a prime location. Imagine you have just opened a beautiful interior design showroom in Bangalore. It's filled with the stunning furniture, elegant designs, and everything a house owner needs to create their dream space. But the problem is you have set up your showroom in a remote area, away in a quiet neighborhood where barely anyone passes by. So what will happen? So there will be no visibility, few walk-ins, low business growth. Even though your services are top notch, people don't know you exist because they can't find you. So how SEO will help you? So what SEO will do is SEO will bring you to the main street. Now imagine moving your showroom to the MG Road or Indranagar, where thousands of potential clients walk by every single day. That means more visibility, that will lead to the more walk-ins. More walk-ins will lead into the more leads. More leads will lead into the more clients and business growth. That's what exactly SEO does for your website. Without SEO, your website is like a hidden showroom, beautiful but unseen. With SEO, it's right on the busiest street where potential clients can easily find you when they search for interior designers. So, if your business is stuck in the back of the internet, SEO moves you to the digital main street, Google first page, and that's where the real business happens. So why SEO matters? Without SEO, they miss out the potential customers. Relying on ads alone can be expensive. SEO brings in free organic traffic, and ranking higher on Google means long-term credibility and business growth. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is simple. SEO means high ROI, high return on investment. Okay, so if you are an interior designer in Bangalore, or if you are providing any kind of services or any product, and if your website isn't tracking on the first page, you are potentially losing crores in business to your competitors. So how does SEO works? Okay, so SEO starts with optimizing your website with the right keywords like modern home designs Bangalore for an interior designing company, high quality content showcasing your work, fast loading speeds, and other SEO best practices, which will help you to increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine. That's why SEO is so powerful. So we'll learn how to start optimizing our website with SEO in our next video. Thank you.